Hey everybody, Azan here. Home automation is straight out of science fiction, except it's real, it's here, and it's only getting bigger. We're talking lights that change with your mood, thermostats that learn your schedule, entire home theaters that boot up with a single voice command. It's mind-blowing. So if you're ready to dive into the world of home automation and maybe become the go-to tech guru in your neighborhood, stick around for the top 5 home automation business ideas for 2025. The ambience consultant, the smart home guru, the possibilities are endless. Moving on to home security. Traditional security systems can be clunky and expensive. Enter smart home security automation. Smart locks, video doorbells, motion sensors, and alarm systems, all controllable from a smartphone app. Imagine getting a notification if someone's at your door while you're halfway across the world, or being able to lock your front door even if you forgot on your way out. This is about more than just gadgets. It's about giving people that precious peace of mind. Let's talk voice control. Who doesn't love bossing their house around like they're in Star Trek? Devices like Alexa and Google Assistant are becoming household names. But not everyone is a tech whiz. Setting up these voice assistants and integrating them with all the different smart home devices can be a real pain for some people. Offer voice control integration services help people connect their lights, thermostats, security systems, their entire homes to the magic of voice commands. And who knows, maybe throw in a few dad jokes while you're at it. Alexa, tell me a joke. See, instant rapport. For all you gadget gurus, smart appliance retail or installation is right up your alley. We're talking about futuristic appliances that are about to take the world by storm. Refrigerators that tell you when you're low on milk, ovens you can preheat from your phone, washing machines that know the perfect cycle for your delicates. Open a store specializing in these cutting-edge appliances, become the go-to expert, or offer installation services to save people the hassle. Heck, you could probably build a whole YouTube channel just reviewing this stuff. Last but not least, let's talk about saving the planet, one automated home at a time. Energy management is becoming increasingly important. Smart thermostats that adjust based on occupancy, automated lighting systems that turn off when a room is empty, even smart plugs that can track energy usage and identify energy hogs. As an energy management expert, you could help homeowners save money on their bills while also reducing their carbon footprint. It's a win-win. Plus, you get to feel good about making a positive impact on the environment. Like button and subscribe for more awesome tech content. See you in the next video.